So check out this coconut. It is very dry. As you can see the inside, and look at the outside. It's very dry, very, very dry. And there is a notion up here. It's like the sprout, the top. It was actually sprouting or about to sprout, and we decided to cut it open to see what's inside. Now this is, for those of you who know coconut, you know there's coconut water. This is what the coconut water, this spongy thing, what the coconut water formed. How many of you know that the coconut water is what gives the coconut? Interesting, right? So yes, the more water is in the coconut, the less jelly or coconut you would get. All right, so this spongy thing, it's very sweet, and it is formed from the water. Now if you look closer to here, this is like oil. So this is the coconut oil in its unprocessed. Yeah, this is oily, unprocessed. See that? Unprocessed form. And coconut is definitely good for the brain. Look at this. This looks like the brain. Can you see? Yeah, it looks like this the surface of the brain. So yeah, and this is one side, and this is the other side of the coconut. And this you can actually just scoop it out. Scoop it all out. I would do it, but yes, started to do with one hand, but this was easier. And as we talk about the coconut, look in here. This is oil right in there. So there you have it. That is coconut and coconut oil. Thank you, honey. Let's see if we can scoop. Okay, use a spoon to scoop it out. Yeah, there you go. They say 2 hands is better than 1, right? So yeah, go up a little. So look at that. That is like the brain, and yes, it is very sweet. You just break it, taste it, and it's spongy. It's very sweet. To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.